So, how do you get data from a website that really doesn't want to share? Let's dive into a real-world case.
The job was to pull around 8,000 member records from a private, secure online directory.
And here's the kicker. There was no easy download button. This data was locked down tight.
So how do you professionally pick a digital lock like that? Well, let's check out how an expert handled it. The client's goal was pretty straightforward. Turn 571 web pages into a clean, usable dataset. But, of course, it wasn't going to be that easy. The site was basically designed to stop this from happening.
A simple bot just wouldn't work. It kept getting kicked out, losing its place, and making the data a mess.
You know how your bank's website logs you out if you're idle? It's basically that, but for the bot.
This meant they needed a new strategy. Not just any automation, but resilient automation.
So the consultant came up with a smart hybrid plan, a custom script plus a reliable manual backup.
This gave the client the best of both worlds, automation for speed and a manual plan for 100% reliability.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. The consultant did all this initial research totally for free.
That's a huge move. It shows they're focused on the right solution, not just on billing hours.
And the pricing was super transparent, breaking down the costs for automated versus manual work.
So the client knew exactly what to expect, a clear price range with absolutely no surprises.
This whole approach gave the client 3 clear choices, putting them completely in the driver's seat.
Option A was the recommended one, a hybrid approach that guaranteed they'd get all the data.
Option B, go manual only. Slower, yeah, but totally reliable with a fixed price.
And option C, the budget play. Just run the bot and see what you get, but with 0 guarantees.
And this quote just sums it all up. It's about being transparent and adapting to get the job done right.
So it leaves you with a great question for any project. What's more important, the lowest price or a guaranteed outcome?